Hi, this is Brian from Show Me Cables, and today I'm going to show you how to terminate a male BNC crimp connector for the RG59 and RG62 cable. For today's project, we're going to need RG59 and RG62 cable, BNC male crimp connector, coax stripper, and crimp tool. To begin, take your coax stripper and remove the outer jacket and dielectric of the cable. The advantage of using a coax stripping tool is that it cuts both the outer jacket and dielectric at the same time. Rotate the tool a few times around the outside of the cable and peel the jacket off. Fold the braided shield on top of the jacket, slide the ferrule over the braid and the jacket. Insert the center pin of the center conductor. Next, take the BNC housing and slide it all the way onto the cable. Slide the ferrule back over the jacket, making sure it holds the braid onto the connector. Take your crimp tool and crimp the ferrule onto the jacket. This will create a secure connection. Give it a tug for testing to make sure it's properly seated. Now you've successfully terminated a male BNC connector.